Hello everyone, it's me. I'm going to record Alice eating an artichoke. I cannot believe this, okay? So, here's the artichokes, and here they are, and here's the butter. Now, Alice, come here. Alice, look. Alice! Look what Mommy has. Look at this. Okay, she's all ready. Look. Okay, now, what did I show you? Pull. Good girl. Look at it. Okay, do it again. Pull. Good girl. Look, you guys. Okay, you want another one? Let's dip it in the butter. Okay. Here we go. Okay, pull. Oh, good girl. Look. Do you like artichokes? Pull. Okay, good girl. Look. Okay, get another one. Dip it in the butter. You like it? Do you like it? Pull. Okay, ready? Pull. Good girl. Yes, you're doing it. You're so smart. Yes, you are. Okay, she's had 3. And I think that's enough. That's enough, Alice. Okay, good girl. Good girl. I can't believe my dog thinks she's a person. Signing out.